Hey, it's Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group at Premier Plus Realty, and I just wanted to give you a little insight, sneak peek into what we do to prepare for a storm. Some are major and some are minors that are just wind and rain events, but we all want to make sure that our listings are covered, that storm shutters are pulled down, that furniture is brought in, because if it's a wind event, we don't want furniture moving around. So as you can see on the list behind me, or maybe not, we go through every single one of our listings. If it's a vacant land, it doesn't need any preparation. If it is a single family home or a condo that needs some activity to it, then we make sure we're tracking it. We understand if they have impact glass or shutters, if the shutters are on the windows only and out in the area is not covered, so we need to pull in some furniture. If they have a home watch, and the home watch is going to handle that. But we want to make sure every single listing has the opportunity to be covered. We also reach out to all of our listings as a service to them so that they know that we're part of their team here with flips and flops in the sand or boots in the street, whatever you'd like to know. So that's a little bit of a sneak peek behind what we do to prepare for a storm.